¿Qué es eso de ahí?
A Pokemon deck. Let me open this one.
¿Y qué es un Pokémon deck?
I don't know. It's a whole bunch of cards. I got another one. Nice. Like I did. I told you. And what is this? Let's check out.
Oh my God, the book.
A reading book. Cool.
Isn't that the book you wanted?
What? Of what?
That's the book you told me you wanted some book.
Oh no, it's not that one. But I saw it. What's this? I'm sure there's this one. Oh, the grand one. Wow, wow. Yes! 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 Yes!
What is that? ¿Es lo que tú querías, David? Devin, ¿qué es eso?
Yes!